What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana. Currently we're sitting at 154 or down 1.8 on the day. Market cap 72 billion. 24-hour volume is 2 billion. So we've created a nice five-way move off the low. If we break this bearish level of 151.42, I would expect the pullback to continue. But if we can bounce before then of course we can put in one more higher high, stop out the short traders before rolling over for that wave to pull back. We're doing exactly what we were looking for, which is pushing up to this down sloping resistance. We printed the bullish cross just as we did right here. Nice bounce to the upside. But if we look all the way back here, we had the bullish cross right around $22, and we just saw an absolutely insane pump. Oh, what's going on with my mouse? Back to the upside from $22 all the way up to about $209, which was a pump of 847%. So that's what I'm looking for price to push up to that resistance, break out, retest it, and see continuation up in the bull market. But in the short term, if we do break 151.45, do expect the correction to continue down towards in between 141 and 129. But if we can bounce, then we can put in one more higher high before seeing that pullback. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. You can trade with BITUNIX all around the world. No KYC, no VPN. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. And yeah, make sure to join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals trading gold. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.